Hello everyone, welcome back to Triumph Trust FX channel. So briefly, I also want to talk about a setup that happened yesterday, which is 11th November 2022 on GBPUSD and EURUSD. So this is one of the ways I trade my divergence. So over the time, I've add some improvement to the way I trade my divergence, and I trade divergence currently with just correlated pairs. So if you look at my screen, I'm trading with gold, EURUSD, USD CAD, AUD/USD, and silver, GBPUSD, USD CHF, and NZD/USD. So I compare gold with silver as correlated pairs. I compare EURUSD with GBPUSD as correlated pairs, and I compare USD CAD with USD CHF as correlated pairs. Then I also compare AUD/USD and NZD/USD as correlated pairs. So, and I do this, sometimes I do it in 15 minutes time frame, but most of the time I do it on the 5 minutes time frame. So I'm going to be looking at this GBPUSD and EURUSD that happened yesterday. So these are some of the things I look out for. So before I will trade the divergence, I want to make sure that if I'm going for a buy, the GBP, one of the pairs, the pair I want to buy might have broken above the previous day's high. So for GBPUSD, this is the previous day's high, yesterday's high. Price broke above it, and I also want to be taking the trade during the New York session, and the time I'm going to be taking the trade is, for the broker time, is around 1500 hours. That is in Nigeria time. That is around 2. Currently, that is around 2 p.m. That is 14 hours, from 1400 hours. So between that and the end of the New York section, I'll look for my entry on this particular method, right? So that is it for the time. So price must be above yesterday's high for a buy, and price must be below yesterday's low for a sell, as in case of USD CAD that we have here. Price is below yesterday's low, this yesterday's low. So at that time, I'll be looking for sells. So this is what happened on GBPUSD and USD CAD. So on GBPUSD, look at this point, this low. There is a rejection happening here on this moving average. This is 150 exponential moving average, right? So I see a rejection here, and here the price is above the 150 exponential moving average. And if you look at what is happening here, from this point, the beginning of this box, to where price dropped to, price created a lower low. So this is a higher high. So this price supposed to create a higher low, but here it created a lower low. And if you look at the EURUSD here, you see price created a higher high here, and it created a higher low. So this is a higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is divergence between the two correlated pairs. So this confirms that I can go for a buy. So I didn't go for the EURUSD because it's not rejecting from any for me, it's not rejecting from any support, although this may be a support zone, but what I'm using as a support is this 150 exponential moving average. So I saw the price rejecting from this 150 exponential moving average after confirming the correlated divergence here. So this was the entry. So I have a screenshot of this here. When it happened here, you can see this is the divergence. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows here, but at this point price created a lower low. So the divergence was confirmed and price got rejected from the 150 exponential moving average. So at the close of this candle that close above the 150 exponential moving average is the entry. This is the stop loss. First take profit is 1 to 2. So this stop loss is around 25 pips, and 50 pips, which is 1 to 2, is around here. So this is the entry. As you can see, what I wrote here, divergence on correlated pairs, EURUSD, GBPUSD. So if you look at here, GBPUSD was above yesterday's high. So that is why I went for it, and it is rejecting from my support line. But here EURUSD didn't get to the support, so I didn't take EURUSD. So this was how price started moving up and up, and finally got the 1 to 2, and also I think this was up to, it moved up to 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. So that's giving about 100 pips, right? So that is how I trade my divergence currently. So instead of focusing on just a divergence on a single pair, I want to compare what is happening between correlated pairs before I take the entry. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. If it is meaningful to you, please do well to like it and also share it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload a new video. I just want to, let me give other two examples that I have here. Look at what happened here. This is AUD/USD and NZD/USD. So here you see price hits the 150 exponential moving average here, and it created a higher high here. So this is a lower high, and price created a higher low here. They created a higher high here. But what do we have here? We have a lower high here. Price created a higher low, but instead of creating a corresponding higher high as we have here, it created a lower high. So the divergence is confirmed, price rejected from it. So this is the entry for itself for the AUD/USD. But since price didn't hit the 150 exponential moving average at the point here, so I will go for only the AUD/USD, and you can see the drop. Another example on EURUSD and GBPUSD, you can see price getting higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and hits the 150 exponential moving average. What do we have here? We see price created a lower low here, lower high, and a lower low, then lower high, while this is creating higher highs and higher lows. So from this rejection we take the entry, and you see the drop. So that is how you can, one of the ways you can trade a divergence with correlated pairs, and it's highly profitable, right? So well done guys, thanks for watching this video, and I wish you all the best.